Hey guys, Jacqueline here, and I am going to show you my very own web browser that I created for my C# class I've been taking this semester. So in here I've got a couple of buttons. I have a back button, a forward button, a home button, a refresh button, and my URL bar. Okay, so here I'm going to kind of just show you how I can navigate. I can scroll through this website. This is actually my portfolio. And then, like, you could type in here and go to Google. So you can go to Google. You can go to, like, pretty much any website. So here's getymart2d.com. This is where I get a lot of my free 2D art assets. They've got a lot of cool freebies. So as you can see, I can navigate the internet, and it looks like a web browser. So I'm going to kind of show you how I set this up and go through what I have. So in general, it's really simple to set up. So what you want to do is you'll start with a blank form. You'll go to your toolbox and scroll down until you see web browser. Then you'll click and drag that in. It will automatically dock to this whole thing, and you don't want that because you don't have enough room for these buttons and stuff. So there's like this little button here that says, like, and it'll pop up and you can say undock in parent container, and you'll want to size it up kind of like this one, and then you'll want to add in 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons in here, and then I created my own art for these. It doesn't look great, but I went to Photoshop and created some of the buttons. So here's my house, and then my arrow button. So for this, and then once you have all of this like set up like this, you can double click on all your buttons, and you'll be brought to here. I added this form load, so I like double clicked on the form and told it to navigate to my portfolio upon startup. So this is like going to the home page. So as soon as this is loaded, go to my home page. And then for the back button, I just did, so I made a click event and then said web browser.go back. So that automatically goes back once you click that. And then a forward button, so then this one just says web browser.go forward, and that makes the page jump forward to the previous page you were on. I know this says refresh button. I think I am going to have to change it to home, because I'm pretty sure I changed the name of my button. Oops. And then I also have this one is my refresh down here. So if you click that, it'll refresh it. Web browser.refresh. And then finally I have my text box. I created a key up event for it, so that way I could press the enter key instead of having to use like a button to like link to it to navigate. So basically what you do is you say if key code equals keys.enter. So if it's just saying if the key code gets pressed up, like if you press it down and it gets released, then it's going to navigate to whatever's inside the text box. So I mean, like if you don't type in something that isn't a website, it's just going to try to go to it and you'll probably get errors, just like any browser. But if it is a website, it's actually just going to navigate right to it. So that's how that works. So yeah, so I'll go back here. Oops, that's going to give an error because I changed that. I guess maybe I didn't. Oh, okay, so I think, yeah, okay. There we go. I was like, I changed the name in there, but, so this is saying there's scripts. It's from the website, okay. Yeah, so here's my home page. I'm going to type in Google here, navigate to Google, and then I'm going to hit back. And I don't know why Wix is like causing issues, but it is. And then it comes back here. And then if I hit forward, it'll navigate back to Google. And then if I hit home, it'll take me to my Wix page, my portfolio page. And then of course, so I'm going to go back to Google, and then I'll refresh the page. There, and it refreshes. Yeah, so that is a web browser in a nutshell. If you like this video, please just hit the like button and also subscribe. If you have any questions or comments about making web browsers with Visual Studio Forms application, just reach out to me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of your guys' day, and I will see you next time.